If your Microsoft Word document looks too cramped, or maybe the paragraphs are spaced out more than you want, then this video is for you. Today, I'll show you exactly how to adjust the space between paragraphs in Microsoft Word, step by step, so you can make your document look clean, professional, and easy to read. This is a really useful skill whether you're working on an essay, a report, a business document, or anything else in Word. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Microsoft Word tips and tricks. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once Word is open the document you want to edit. This can be a brand new document or an existing file that already has text in it. If you want to change spacing in the whole document, you'll usually want to select everything, but if you only want to adjust certain paragraphs, you can highlight just those sections instead. So the next step is to select the text or paragraphs you want to modify. You can click and drag your mouse over the text, or you can use keyboard shortcuts to select larger sections more quickly. The reason this matters is because Word will only change the spacing for the text you have selected. If nothing is selected, it may apply the changes to the paragraph where your cursor is currently placed. Now that your text is selected, go to the Home tab at the top of the screen. This is where you'll find most of the basic formatting tools in Microsoft Word. In the paragraph section of the Home tab, look for the line and paragraph spacing button. This usually has an icon with lines and up and down arrows. Click that button to open the spacing menu. From the menu, click Line Spacing Options. This opens a more detailed window where you can control exactly how your paragraphs are spaced. This is the part that gives you full control over the look of your document, rather than just choosing a preset option. In the Paragraph Settings window, look for the Spacing section. Here you'll see options for before and after spacing. Before spacing controls how much space appears before a paragraph, and after spacing controls how much space appears after it. If your paragraphs look too far apart, these settings are usually the reason. To increase the space between paragraphs, simply raise the after spacing value, or adjust before spacing if you want extra space above each paragraph. You can type in a number or use the arrows to increase or decrease it. A small change can make a big difference, so it's a good idea to preview the effect as you go. If you want to remove extra space between paragraphs, set both before and after spacing to 0. This will bring the paragraphs closer together and remove the added spacing. This is especially helpful if Word has automatically inserted extra space that makes your document look inconsistent. Once you've set the spacing the way you want it, click OK to apply the changes. Word will instantly update your selected text, and you should see the paragraph spacing change right away. If it doesn't look quite right, you can always go back and adjust the values again until it matches the style you want. And that's it. You've now learned how to adjust space between paragraphs in Microsoft Word, whether you want to add more breathing room or remove extra space for a cleaner layout. This is one of those small formatting skills that can make your documents look a lot more polished and professional. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Microsoft Word tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.